In this video we look at a retrofit bespoke installation in a commercial location of a triple row roller barrier anti-climb solution to replace old, unsightly and potentially unsafe barbed wire fencing. The customer required an effective, non-aggressive and aesthetically pleasing replacement for the existing barbed wire boundary, which would require minimal maintenance, have a long lifespan and would not break the bank. To save cost and at the customer's request as far as possible, the variable size double mesh fence bays and concrete fence posts would need to be retained and form a base for the roller barrier installation. A meeting was arranged on location with the representatives from the customer's management team and a site survey carried out, which identified several issues that would have an impact on the installation. The following challenges identified during the site survey included: variation in width of the bays from 1.5 to 3 metres and some damaged panels, damage to some fence posts, a mixture of steel mesh types used for the fence bays, foliage growing through and over the perimeter fence from the adjacent property, on-site buildings butting up to the perimeter fence, doglegs in the perimeter fence. The customer felt a quad row of roller barrier would be most appropriate for their requirements, giving them a maximum level of security. In-site security designed a trial installation of the roller barrier in a single, triple row and quad row for the customer to be able to make an informed decision based on aesthetics, budget and the minimum level of security required for each area. The overall solution chosen by the customer from our designs involved the installation of a single row of roller barrier installed above existing spike-top railings along the highway-facing property boundary, and a triple row roller barrier installation at other site locations. Although the quad row would have worked in all areas, our redesign of the custom brackets meant that with careful spacing, the maximum amount of rows required to maintain the optimum level of security could be reduced to a triple row, resulting in a cost saving for the customer. The triple row installation presented various challenges to keep the rows parallel over long distances without visible sagging. Variations in the size of the cranked concrete posts, their vertical alignment, along with the position and size of the preformed wire straining holes, required the design of a special stainless steel roller barrier mounting bracket to support the 3 rows of roller cups. The special adjustable stainless steel interim support brackets for fixing to the mesh fencing were also designed to prevent the sagging of the barrier at the base centres. During the installation, the existing barbed wire was removed for recycling as the roller barrier was installed in sections. The customer's selection of the RAL 6005 moss green colour finish for the barrier was a great choice, blending in well with the local environment. The customer also praised the great aesthetics and appearance of the finished installation, as well as the professionalism of our installation team. Questions often asked about roller barrier are how long does it last and what ongoing maintenance does it require? In-site security have been installing roller barrier for nearly 20 years at various locations around the UK and Ireland. From evidence we have, many of those installations are still fully functional without the requirement of any ongoing maintenance. For more information on bespoke roller barrier installations, check out our website or call our friendly team.